Okay, aloha mai kākou. Welcome to ʻAʻA Ka LELO, or virtual Hawaiian language class. Today is Tuesday, Ho'alua Kala Iwakalu Kumaha o Novemapa. And today we're going to be focusing on ʻŌPaʻa number 9. Okay, our agenda, if you guys want to take a look at it, again, if you're new, this is what we go through throughout the entire class. It seems like a lot, and it is, but we get it done, okay? All right. So, aloha mai kākou, e nā haumana. Like always, we ask everyone in the chat if you can please type your answers in for these questions. Owai koinoa, what is your name? Noho oi ihea, where do you live? And he aha kauhana ma ka lā hoʻomaikai. So what are you doing for Thanksgiving? Or not doing if you don't celebrate it in Japan. Okay. I'm breaking up. Okay, thank you for letting me know. I will check my internet connection. I don't know, that's not me. That's Spectrum. We gotta check with Spectrum. We're paying arm and a leg.
Did you pay your bill?
Yes, I did pay my bill. Oh, we have kids. We have Sarah, Kavai, and Ma. So we gotta be good. We kind of talk about alcohol because there's children. All right. And there's also Carly. Okay, so aloha mai kākou o kumukanu ola ko'u inoa no hoau ma ke walauka ma oahu, and no ka lā hoʻomaikai e paʻina liʻiliʻi ana Makoko. We're just gonna have a small party, just like the immediate family, 6 of us, or not. You won't know. COVID-19. Okay.
O anuenue ko'u inoa, noho au I ke walauka, and I'm doing the same thing as him on Thanksgiving.
Okay, and ahela nani mahawaine, ahela nani mahawaine, na uoi, na uoi, na uoi ke kumu, a o wao no kau hao mana. Aloha yahi kākou. I'm getting over that song. Okay, so our loina, this is our loina, or our values we practice every class. I'm gonna call on a few of our new haumana, if you can turn on your mic and read our loina for us, starting with the top. Let's go with Kaleipua o Nalani.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha mai kākou. Na loina ho'okahi, aloha ke kahi I ke kahi. Love one another. We are an ohana.
Mahalo. Okay.
Mahalo.
Our next one, can we have Hannah? If you can read the next one, please. Not Wilson. Yeah.
Ho'ihi aku ho'ihi mai.
Yep. And then the English.
Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Mahalo nui.
Mahalo.
Okay, our next one, let's have Sarah, Kavai, and I can't read the last part of the name, but
Ekulia ikanu'u. Strive to be the very best.
Star Wars ready up.
you can be. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you write the third name in the chat so I can see? It's cutting off. Sorry. And then our last one, let's have who else is new? Naleli, Marcial, or Najeli, Kalame.
Aloha.
Aloha.
ʻAʻa I ka ʻŌLELO mai hila hila.
Mahalo.
Dare to speak, don't be shaming class.
Mahalo. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so those are our loina, if you guys can all remember while we go through this class. Pretty simple. And our ʻoli e homai. Makoko.
I.
E homai. It's a little high. E homai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo. O nā mele. E homai. e ho mai, e ho mai, e a, e ho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e, o nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele, e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, e a, e ho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e, o nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele, e ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai, e. Okay, so our kupuna is here with us. Instagram can start later. All right, so we're going to review what we learned last week with Ka Mahalo. What is Mahalo? Can someone type in the chat what Mahalo is? Good. Yep, kaviks. Yeah, everyone get them. Food, of course. Of course, everyone knows what food. So, Ka Mahalo. Our question, e ho piri mai, he aha kau,
He aha kau,
mea ai punahele.
mea ai punahele.
Yeah, I didn't have space, but it means what is your favorite food? And to answer, you'd say o, ka, or ke, food, ka u mea ai punahele. What do we use? When do we use ke?
You use ke
When the word starts with?
when the word starts with, give me a hint.
Ke.
Ke, la,
No.
no.
They got it already.
Keao, right.
Keao. Okay, so if the Hawaiian word starts with K, E, A, or O, cloud, yeah, then you're going to, your ka'i before is going to be K. If it starts with anything else, then it's going to start with ka. So can you guys all answer? He aha kau mea ai punahele in the chat. If you don't know it in Hawaiian, you can just write it in English. Ooh. Okay, so for me, o ka laulau ka mea ai punahele, all day, every day. And student cousin Cappy, he aha kau mea ai punahele.
O ka pizza, ka'u mea ai punahele.
Okay, pizza we learned was,
Paipika.
yeah,
Yeah.
paipika. What's that? Good job. Okay, good. O ka pokebo ka'u mea ai punahele. I'm gonna call in a few of you to read or to answer for us. Let's have Sky. He aha kau mea ai punahele. Sky Wong.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. O ka mea ai ko lea ka mea ai punahele. I like Korean food.
Okay.
Nice.
Can you ask Solana, please?
Solana, he aha ka mea ai punahele.
O ka poi ka mea ai punahele.
Mahalo. And can you ask Kapo?
Ka po'o, o...
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. He aha ka mea ai punahele.
O ka paʻi ai ka mea ai punahele.
You wrote bubbies in the chat.
Because I was eating it.
Okay, you lied. Okay, mahalo. And then our next question was, e ho'opiri mai, he aha kau ono.
He aha kau ono.
Okay, so what are you craving currently? And then to answer, you'd say ono wau, I, ka, or ke, and then the food. Okay, so for me, ono wau, I, ka, birria tacos. I heard that's amazing. Birria, whatever, the consomme. Najeli and Pamela, you can tell us if they're good. I'm sure you're the experts on tacos because you're from Mexico. So, yep. What are you ono for? He aha kau ono.
Aloha. What did I say?
Right here.
Oh, where? Ono au I ka turkey. Pelehu.
Good. And that's coming up in a little bit. Ono like a pumpkin crunch. Good. Yeah. Again, if you don't know it in Hawaiian, we can totally write it in English. Surf and salsa tacos.
Ooh, apple pie.
Apple pie. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna ask a few of you again. Haliaka, he hakau ono.
Ono au I ka hau kalima.
Mahalo. Can you ask Kelly Murata?
Aloha e Kelly. He hakau ono.
Aloha. Ono au I ke kokolaka.
Yep. And Kelly, can you ask Carly?
O Kylie, he aha kau ono?
Carly.
Hey, Kalama. Yeah, ono au I ka service also taco.
Okay, and Carly, can you ask Iolani?
Yes. Iolani, he aha kau ono.
Aloha, ono au I ka kokoleka.
Okay,
Nice.
hello. Good job. And then let's just show this example because we have a few more questions.
Aloha, he ahi kākou o sky ko inoa. O ka Aina, ka kahiaka, ka umea ai punahele. Ono au I ka haukalima.
Sorry, Mary.
Ke aine au I ka paipika. Ka haukalima. Ke kokoleka. Ke inu ni au I ka wai. Ka maha. Mahalo nui noa. Ahui no.
Yay.
Mahalo, Mary. So remember last week when I asked y'all to do the flip grid Havina? Y'all did it. I got like 4. So thanks for nothing, but maybe this week you'll try. Nah, just kidding. Okay, so let's review another question that we had. And that was, he hakau e ʻaina.
He hakau e ʻaina.
You remember what that means?
What are you eating?
Yeah, what are you currently eating? And then he hakau e inu.
What are you drinking?
Good. So let's see if you guys remember this. I'm not going to give you hints. Just try and type these 4 answers in the chat. So everyone turn to private, please. So we're not cheating. Okay. So the first one, ke ʻaina au I ka laulau me ka poi. Number 2.
Ke inu o ka vena I ka makalika.
You might not know what that is, but just sound it out. It sounds like it is in English. Number 3, ke ʻaina koʻu makuahine I ka pola poke. And then number 4.
The man is drinking hot chocolate.
Okay, so let's see. We'll give you guys a minute and a half. It's a little bit harder. If you're new and you don't get what's going on, sorry.
Raise your hand.
Yeah, raise your hand.
Answer. Yeah.
What we're doing right now is just translating some of the sentences we learned in last class. And yeah. Malt liquor. No. Makalika. It sounds kind of like it is in English. Makalika. Once you get it, you're going to be like, oh, makalika.
Kumu.
Yes.
Henina ka'u.
Ew.
E kolu. Elua. Ke ino o ka vena I ka makalika.
Yeah. So it's. I made up the word. So if you know it, don't say it. Don't say it. Just type it in. Yeah.
Okay. Mahalo.
Mahalo. There you go. Okay, how you get them. Yep, Erika, you get it. Haliaka. Yep, alcohol, but what kind specifically? All right, maybe 30 more seconds. Why does this thing keep falling? Yeah. Oh, there. Whew. Keep track of the time. Oh, let me put our links in the chat for those of you who joined us. Okay, again, like always, we're gonna call on some people. If you guys want to volunteer to answer, please put your hand up in the reaction or just put your regular hand up. Carly? No, that's not a hand up. Okay. No one like answer? Anyone? We're gonna try and get everyone to talk today, so let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna call. Let's have Don, can you read number 1 in Hawaiian and your translation?
Ke aineo I ka lolo me ka poi. I am eating lolo and poi.
Good job. Okay, Makamai, can you try number 2? Kind of hard, but just see, let's see what you got.
Ke inu o ka vena I ka makalika. I don't know, I don't remember.
Okay, so ke inu means drink. Or inu, yeah. So kavena is what? Currently.
He's currently drinking.
Drinking, and then this word we made up. Anyone want to try? Can you just turn on your mic and scream it out? Tammy, yeah.
Margarita.
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 Margarita, yes. So makalika, margarita. Yeah.
Kavena is currently drinking margaritas.
Yeah, good job.
Okay.
Okay. See you at Kavena's house. All right. Next, let's have Aloholani. Can you do number 3? This is juice, yeah.
Ke aine ko'u mako hine I ka pola poke. My mother is eating a poke bowl.
Yep, perfect. And then number 4, let's have Hannah.
The man is drinking hot chocolate. Ke ina nei ke kane I ke kokoleka vela.
Perfect. Good job.
Oh, Hannah. Right.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay. So I'm going to teach you a new, okay, well, let's do this first. So this week in America, or touchy subject, we have 2 very important holidays this week. And that first thing is, first holiday is La Ho'omaikai, Iho Pirimai.
La Ho'omaikai.
Okay, so these are a few words that you can use this Thanksgiving. You can teach your family. I'm going to call on a few of you to read. Let's start with Erika.
Pelehu.
Turkey. Turkey. Let's have Pamela.
Pua'ahame, ham.
Yep. Let's have Kapua.
Puala kahiki I ku'i'ia, mashed potatoes.
Mahalo. Let's have Lindy. Sorry, Lindy, your mic.
I'm sorry. Better?
Yep.
Uala kahiki. Am I down below that? I'm stuffing. Okay. Mea ho'o pi'iha. Pi'iha.
Yep. Mea ho'opiha piha is stuffing.
Pi'a. Is that it?
Yep. Let's have
Thank you.
Haley. Not Carly, Haley.
Pie pala'i, pumpkin pie.
Yes, my favorite. Okay, next let's go to the other screen. Auntie here.
Pai pala'ai, ono, kai ohelo, cranberry sauce.
Yes. So kai is actually, yes, it means ocean, but it's any word that deals with sauce. So even gravy could be kai, or all kinds of different sauces and whatever.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, thank you.
So yeah, you can use that.
Thank you.
Let's have who?
I was reading Paul.
Oh.
Auntie April.
Auntie April, can you read the next one?
Haloa li'i, rose.
Okay, halawa li'i is like rolls, and then the last one, student cousin Cappy.
Papapa.
Papapa is beans. Okay, so I'm sure most of us have these kind of things for la ho'omaikai. we're having prime rib this year or whatever. You know, we're not about the turkey life, so that's fine. Okay, so our new question. He hakau e ʻāina no ka lā hoʻomaikai. Cool, that's a weird sentence. He hakau e ʻāina. So ʻāina shows the future tense. So what you're gonna do in the future. So what is this question asking, everyone? Type it privately. Good, Erika. Good, Hannah.
We should share.
Yeah. Yep. Good. Yep. Y'all are getting it. Sequoia, can I get your answer? You can just turn on your mic, please.
Oh, I said, what are you eating for Thanksgiving?
Yes. So the ʻāina is going to show going to eat. So, but you're correct. What are you going to eat for Thanksgiving? Okay. So let's try again with these samples. Again, this is going to be I will eat. Yeah. So let's see what you guys get for e ʻāina koʻu makuahine I ka pelehu. Can you read this?
E ʻāina ka ʻohana I ka uala kahiki I kuʻi ʻai.
Okay. E ʻāina au I ka pai palaʻai mai Liliha Bakery.
Cousin Cappy will drink the alcohol.
What? It's a good example. Right? They agree.
Yeah. Sharing.
And you're currently... Okay, let's see. And yeah, when you're done translating, if you guys can put your hand up in the reaction, and then I can choose you guys, unless you're shy. No one's shy. Who's shy? If you need the words, sorry. You guys remember. Good. The best, Haley. Yes. I don't get why Cappy always autocorrects to with a R.
What?
Cappy always autocorrects to
Crappy.
C. Yeah. Okay, good. Let's get some volunteers. Anyone wants to volunteer? Nope. All right. Let's have Kiave. Can you read the first one? Kiave Smith. Can you read the first one and your translation?
E ʻāina koʻu makuahine I ka pelehu. My mom is going to eat turkey.
Mahalo. Good job.
Good job.
Let's have Akiko, number 2.
E ʻāina ka ʻohana I ka wala kahiki I kui ia.
Yes.
My family is going to eat mashed potatoes.
Mike Kai, good job. Okay, let's have Tita Tiare. You guys like try? Number 3.
E ai ana au I ka pai pala mai Liliha Bakery. Mama ke hoa'o?
Yeah.
Okay. He aha ia.
Cute.
E ai ana au.
Yeah.
My kid's not functioning. I'm sorry.
No worries, no worries.
Kala mai kumaole au I ha'i ai ole ho'i kia lako I kou ha'awina. So awole maopopo lako kia hua ʻŌLELO.
Oh,
Pai pala.
kia. Pai
Kala
pala.
mai.
Mekai. We good. We're gonna jump to who like try? Malulani.
I wasn't sure what to say.
Oh, okay. So pai pala'ai is right here. Pumpkin.
Hi, Palai. Oh, I am going to eat pumpkin pie from Lydia Bakery.
Yes, good job. And then last one, Cousin Cappy will drink the alcohol. I'm gonna ask Iolani because I'm sure she's currently drinking the alcohol too. So.
ʻAʻole.
Oh. You were last week.
But I had a feeling you was gonna call me for some reason. Okay. E ai ana o Cousin Cappy I ka ʻAʻalekohola.
Alekohola, yep. That's another word for alcohol. Good. There's also lama, which is more general, all the alcohol, lama.
No.
And then Mary Lena Ala found waikulu. That's a new one to me, so yeah. Yeah, you know one. She just corrected. Okay, mahalo. So that's our review from last class. And then our second holiday this week is Lākuʻokoʻa, which is our Hawaiian Independence Day. We're just going to watch this quick video. Raise your hand if you know what Lākuʻokoʻa is or if you heard about it before. Okay, so if you didn't, let's pay attention to this video. Kind of fast, but okay, so sometimes Lākuʻokoʻa gets overshadowed by Thanksgiving, but if you guys can all celebrate Lākuʻokoʻa in a little way this year, maybe raise your Hawaiian flag or just teach your ohana about it at Thanksgiving. Maybe you can show them this video. That'll be really appreciated, especially now with COVID. There's not really going to be much celebrations, but yes, Lākuʻokoʻa is still alive and we can celebrate it. We can celebrate our holidays. Okay, so this week on Instagram and on Facebook, we're doing our Mahalo Wow Challenge, and it's just to give thanks to the people and the things in our lives. So every day you can post, if you're a poster, you can post what you're thankful for, like following our themes of Aina, your land, your friends, your ancestors, your family, your language, your nation, and your life. Okay, again, just because of COVID, it's kind of, sometimes we don't realize it that we should be thankful. We take for granted of all of these things. And now with COVID, we're separated from our friends and our family for like months at a time. It just shows us that we should be more appreciative for them every day. Yeah. So our theme is Ka Mahalo, or appreciation. And what you're gonna do before we start our lesson is you're gonna choose one of the prompts from the previous page and answer why you're thankful for that thing, or why you're thankful for that person. So just a quick answer about that. So choose one of these things: land, friends, ancestors, family, language, nation, life, and yeah. Just type quickly in the chat what you guys are thankful for. Yep, lama means alcohol. Mahalo au I ka lama. Awesome. Yeah, can be in English, totally fine. Even if it's not on this paper and you're thankful for it, thankful for my dog, you can type it in. I'm thankful for my friends who helped me, and I'm thankful for myself. Mahalo ke alohi. I'm thankful for my family because they support each other. Mahalo Sky. I'm thankful for my kupuna. Mahalo Christy. Yes, exactly. Okay, so for me, mahalo out, or can you read this one?
Mahalo au I ku'u ohana no ka mea.
You can say it in English.
Because they all listen to me.
That's a lie.
No.
Well, everyone else but me.
Yeah.
Okay. So, mahalo au I ku'u mau haumana. I'm thankful for my students at Kamehameha High School and also to my students on the Ho'opili Mai. No ka mea, I really love teaching and just being able to teach not only my students at KS, but teaching the world, all of you guys, has been really fun the past couple weeks, the past year, I guess. So thank you for making my job easier, because without you, I would not be able to do these kind of things. So mahalo. Okay, so let's get started with our lesson. Just keep writing. They'll come in and we'll see them, so you guys are good. Mahalo, everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna skip some things. Nope, not you, not you, nope. Okay, so these are the things that we're gonna be thankful for. So I'm gonna call on you. If you can read I'm gonna point to the image, if you can read it, and then, or take your best guess on what the image represents out of these terms on the side. Okay, can we have Kealohi, if you can do the first one?
Hi, Kamea Hopemua is Kumaukupuna.
Ku'umaukupuna, so your ancestors. Mahalo. Next one, let's have Kehau. You want to take a guess at this next picture? Kehau.
Which one?
Oh yes, the one that doesn't have a last name on the thing.
Oh no.
Kalamai didn't have it on thing.
Oh.
Maukumu Lahui, Ku'u Lahui.
Nope, close.
Oh, Aina, sorry. We didn't see that one up there. Cool, Aina.
Mahalo. Okay, let's try this one. Lehua Kimura. Just taking a guess. Even if it's wrong, no worries.
Ku'u Hanai Hulu.
Makai. Hanaya Huhu. That is your pets. This one's easy. Student comes a copy. Let's give it to you.
Ku'u mau hoa. Oh, what? Oh, ku'u ohana.
Yeah, I guess you can.
You look like all my friends.
Children?
Okay.
All right. Let's have Tita, Tiare. You guys think you can do this one right here? The person speaking and the keiki.
Okay. Hiki ke hoa'o.
Okay, mahalo.
Okay. Okay, ki I ku'u ʻŌLELO.
Maikai. So your language, whether it be ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi, English, Spanish, Japanese. Mary, she speaks Mary. I'm sure most of you speak Mary too. All good. Okay, Tammy, can you do this next one?
Hi, ku'u mau hoa.
Mahalo. So that's your friends.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll do this one. Ku'u mau kumu, my teachers. And then lastly, you have ku'u lāhui, my. Not your flag.
Your people.
Your people or your nation. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, so ku'u you might have heard ko'u before, which is my. Ku'u just means a little bit more intimate, like more beloved. So of course, all of these things, you're going to call it ku'u. Your alcohol, would it be ku'u? Maybe. Your phone, probably not going to be ku'u, yeah? So everything that you really hold dear to yourself, that's going to be ku'u compared to ko'u. Okay, so our sentence structure is, I am thankful for. Okay, and that's going to be, e ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Mahalo au.
Mahalo au.
I ku'u.
I ku'u.
And then fill in the blank with whatever you have. Okay, so mahalo au I ku'u. I am thankful for my blah, blah, blah. My iPad. Whatever. Okay, so let's try these sentences. You guys should know how to translate them. Let's see, just choose 2 of them and then type them in the chat, your translations. Mo is plural, yes. Sorry, Christy. Thank you. If you guys can help each other, that's totally fine and appreciated. Okay, I'll probably call on Deborah just to get you Makoko and Lena. Yeah, Deborah, you want to read one?
Mahalo au I ku'u ohana. I'm thankful for my family. Mahalo au I ku'u mauhoa. I'm thankful for my friends.
Good job. Okay, and then Lena Ala, can we get some more? Maybe just, if you can do them all, that would be cool.
Mahalo au I ku'u Aina. I am thankful for my land. Mahalo au I ku'u hanaya huhu. I am thankful for my pet.
Yep.
And mahalo au I ku'u mau kumu. I am thankful for my teachers.
Good job. Yay. So we just use hanaya huhu for pet. I know most people don't really use it, or this could be your first time hearing that word. Most people just go, I'm thankful for my dog. Mahalo au I ku'u ʻIleo. But this was in the dictionary, so Pukui approved it as pet. So that's my kai. Okay. And then can you guys all create your own sentence using a word that's not on the list? Try, let's see what you guys can make up or come up with. Mahalo no ya oi e kumu, mahalo lehua, mahalo au I ku. Oh. Oh, you're not done yet. Got it. Ku'ukane, yes. So her boyfriend. Mahalo au I ku'u mau makua, your parents, your land, good job. Your children, good. Your daughter, Goldie. Cats, auntie, uncle, good. You guys are my ka'iloa. You guys get them. The sentence structure is easy because it's just something that we learned already, our pepeke a'ano, or kahulu pepeke. But we're just gonna use this to go through this whole thing. Okay, so let's answer this question, or let's learn the question. E ho'opili mai, he kākou e mahalo ai. He kākou e mahalo ai.
He kākou e mahalo ai.
So what are you thankful for? That's the question. And to answer, we would put in mahalo au I ku'u. So can you guys all type in the answer using this image, what you're thankful for? Okay, Sarah Kawai and Ma'alahi. He kākou e mahalo ai.
Oh, e kala mai. Mahalo au I ku'u ohana.
Nice. Good job. So you're thankful for your family. All right, so these are a few sentences that we're going to go through quickly, and we're just going to translate them. They all pretty much mean the same thing or have the same kind of structure. So let's start with this first one. E ho'opili mai. Malama ku'u ohana.
Malama ku'u ohana.
Ya'u.
Ya'u.
Okay, so malama means?
Care.
Care for. So my beloved family cares for, and then ya'u shows when a action is being directed to yourself. So my family cares for me. Okay. So let's see what you guys can get with these next 5. I think you guys can do all 5. It's easy enough. Okay, Christy, thank you. We're probably gonna go past 7:30, but if you gotta leave early, totally fine. Good Kala'i, good Kaviks, yep. Okay, Kala'i, can you read 2 of your examples, please? Kala'i Ward.
Hi, aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha ku'u ohana ya'u. My family loves me.
Perfect. And then let's get, sorry, let's go to the next page. Tammy, can you read another one you got?
From the screen?
Yeah.
Which one are we on?
Whichever one. Someone did aloha.
Oh.
Kala'i did aloha, so.
Okay. Mahalo au I ku'u ohana because kokua ku'u ohana ia'u.
You got the translation?
Yes, because my family helps me.
Good job. Okay, and let's go to Kala'i Pua Onalani. You want to try one? So we got 2 and 3, if you can do another one.
Oh, hiki no. Aloha ku'u ohana ya'u. My family loves me.
Yep.
And it's the third one you said?
Oh, that one's Paul. You think you can do this one, the bottom one?
Hiki no. Ho'olohe ku'u ohana ya'u. My family hears me or my family listens to me.
Okay, good job.
Wow.
Okay, so I want you guys to all create a sentence using this first one, mahalo au I ku'u, and then you're gonna connect it with no ka mea. E ho'opili mai, no ka mea.
No ka mea.
That means because. So I am thankful for my family, no ka mea, because, and then choose one of these down here. Or you can make up your own, whatever you want. Okay, you can take that maybe to everyone. That's totally fine because we're making up our own now. So mahalo au I ku'u ohana no ka mea aloha lākou ia'u. Good. Keep all of these for your breakout rooms. We're going to be using them in the breakout rooms coming up. No ka mea malama ia'u. Yep. Take care of me. And you see how Sky said just malama ia'u? And she didn't put ku'u ohana? That's totally fine because you already have ku'u ohana in the main sentence that you know it by context. You know who you're talking about by context, yeah? Ho'aya pili. Huiho, Sarah, thank you, and ma'alahi, and kawai.
So I would say mahalo au I ku'u ohana ho'olohe
No ka mea.
No ka mea ho'olohe ia'u.
Ku'u ohana ia'u.
But you don't have to say ku'u ohana.
Oh, okay, yep. Ho'olohe ia'u. Okay, my ka'i. Let's move to our next one. He aha kaue mahalo ai. What are you thankful for? Surikaze Tapi, you want to try?
He aha kau e mahalo ai. Mahalo au I ku'u hoa pili.
Ku'u, yep.
Ku'u hoa pili.
Would you say friends, plural?
Mau ku'u. I mean mau ku'u mau hoa pili.
Yes. So I'm thankful for my friends. Mahalo au I ku'u mau hoa pili, or hoa. Okay. Some new sentences. This was just our adjective sentences. So this should be easy. I'm not even gonna explain it to you. Let's see what you guys can come up with. If you need vehe vehe to translate, it's totally fine. If not me, you can totally, most of these words you guys should know already.
And just raise your hand if he's going too fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm probably gonna call on Kelly for maybe 2 examples and Solana for 2 examples. So when you guys are power, you can just turn on your mic and translate.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Olu ku'u mau hoa. My friends are pleasant.
Yep.
And pupule ku'u mau hoa. My friends are crazy. They are.
They are. They are. Okay, Mililani, or sorry, Solana, can you read one of yours?
I think it's ku'u mau hoa is my friends are, is it smart?
Yeah, no. Rhymes with Bumble.
Oh, humble.
Humble, yeah, make sure. Okay, and let's get Mililani, cousin Mililani. Can you try another one?
Anyone?
Try Maika Ilo.
Maika ilo ku'u mau hoa. My friends are very good.
Yep, get them. So the only one we didn't do was ho'omakeaka. Did anyone get that? Good. Okay, how you got them? Yep. Good. So ho'omakeaka means funny. So my friends are funny. Okay. That's a long word, yeah, but very good, not nice mind. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. If you can take this first part, add in no kamea, and then choose one of these phrases and type it in the chat. Oh, very good, not nice. Got it. Why are we so boring tonight, Mother?
Too much makalika.
Too much makalika.
Minawaka.
Please stop. Good. Let's get Kapua. Can you read your sentence?
Yeah. Mahalo au I ku'u mau hoa no ka mea ho'olohe lākou ia'u.
Perfect. So she used one from the last slide, and that's totally fine. Kapo, can you read yours? Yeah.
Mahalo au I ku'u mau hoa no ka mea ho'omakeaka lākou.
Perfect. Tita Tiare, you guys want to try? Kikis, all the kids?
Okay, hopefully my mahalo au I ku'u mau hoa no ka mea no ka mea maika'i loa ku'u mau hoa.
Awesome. My ovaries are bursting. Because it's a thing. People say it on Instagram. That was awesome. Okay, ahui ho Nadeli, mahalo. She's leaving because I said ovaries are bursting. No, I don't know. Okay, what is this one? I guess we lost it, so we'll skip that. Oh, Aina. Oh, actually, no, we gotta keep it. So, mahalo iku Aina means I'm thankful for my land. These are different. Just all random things. You may have heard them some before in Mele or just from ʻŌLELO no ʻEO. Let's see what you guys can translate and come up with. Yeah, go everyone. Who cares? Who cares if we cheat? You don't have to put it on private.
Well, there's
Who? Who?
Tita.
Oh no, she didn't leave. The Najeli from Mexico. Because she said it's 3 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Okay, good. Malia. Malia, can you read yours, the Hawaiian, and then your English? 7:30, oh my gosh. Malia, Sarah.
Kalamai, I thought you heard me. Aloha.
Aloha.
Hanai ku'u Aina ya'u. My land feeds me.
Good job.
Wow. Good.
Kavix, can you read one?
Malama ku'u Aina ya'u. My land takes care of me.
Good job. My land takes care of me. Let's have one more. Ati Healani.
Aloha i ku'u Aina. I love my land.
Awesome. Yep. And that's everyone. You know, no matter where you're from, you love your land. Yeah.
Aye.
Unless you're from Antarctica. Okay. Let's try this one. E ho'opili mai. O Hawaiʻi ku'u kulaiwi.
O Hawaii ku'u kulaiwi.
So Hawaii is my homeland. Okay, that's from a song. O Hawaii ku'u kulaiwi. And also, ua mau ke'e o ka ʻaina I ka pono.
Ua mau ke'ea o ka ʻaina I ka pono.
So the life or the sovereignty of the land is perpetuated in righteousness. Okay. I don't think we have time to make that into an example, but we'll just keep going. And let's do this last one. Mahalo au I ku'u lāhui. I am thankful for my people or my nation. And here are some more. I'm just gonna call you. Let's just see what happens. Carly, first one.
Just read that one?
Yep, and translate.
Okay.
Hey, can help me.
Hey, Hawaii au mau mau. Okay, so yeah, I am Hawaiian forever and ever.
Yes, good job. Aloha Lani, can you try the next one?
Ikaika no ku'u lāhui. Our nation is strong.
Good. And then the no just shows like an indeed or quite. So our nation is quite strong. I'm going to skip this one. You may have heard it, but I'm going to skip it. Erika, can you try this one?
Thank goodness you skipped the last one.
So let's go back to
Unipa'a ku'u lāhui. My nation is steadfast.
Yes. And then let's try this one. Iolani.
Okay, I'm gonna need help.
Okay. So Eola means live. So who lives?
I live.
Yep. And then this E is gonna show like through or because.
I live because of my lāhui.
Yes.
Yes.
I live because of my nation.
Well, could you say no kamea?
Yep. You can say Eola au no kamea. No, you can't.
Oh. Mahalo.
Yeah, I would rather you guys use Eola au I ku'u lāhui. This last one, no ku'u lāhui e hawi pau a Eola mo, is from Kuha'aheo. That means for my people or for my nation, I will give my all so that our people will live on. It's a very pretty way of saying that I will do anything for my people. Okay? All right, I think it's time for breakouts. Is it?
Whoever has to
this
go.
last one. Ovaikau e mahalo ai. Who are you thankful for? It's currently 7:30. If you guys gotta go, a hui ho. We'll see you guys next time. Have a good Thanksgiving. But we'll be on for maybe till 8 o'clock.
Tell them who you're thankful for.
I'm thankful, not for you. We're deleting this image. Okay, so let's move on. So mahalo au ya when you show ya. So when you show ya, it's going to be a person's name. So exactly, Pamela. Mahalo au ya, student cousin Cappy. I am thankful for student cousin Cappy. What is Ovai asking?
Your name?
Yeah, but specifically?
Who?
Okay, so these next few, these are all my Hawaiian language heroes from back in the day to currently. If you guys can just, it's pretty easy because you're just saying I am thankful for the name, but just maybe to write one. Lale is a name.
And that
it means Larry. Larry. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Solana, Haliaka, Malulani, good. Yes, exactly. Can you, Surikandakapi, you can do all of these. They're easy enough.
I'm thankful for Ke'eli Kolani. I'm thankful for Tutu Pakui. Pukui.
And what did she do?
She wrote the book.
What book?
The Hawaiian language book.
The dictionary.
Yeah, Kavena Pukui.
Okay.
Pukui. Mahalo ya Larry Kimura. He's a Hawaiian language teacher at UH long ago.
And then he's still at LELO now, and he made the Hawaiian language radio station.
Yep, and I'm thankful for Ekela, and she was she works in Maui. She's a kumu in Maui.
She was a TV program, and then I'm thankful for
Auntie.
No, in Hawaiian.
Oh, mahalo au ya anake lolena.
Yes, good. Okay, so your sentence that you're going to create now, you're going to thank someone in the class. So just choose a name randomly, even if you don't know them. Just say mahalo au ya whoever, whatever name you see. Are your names on? They are, yeah? Okay. Not me. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Good, Lena Ala. I'm thankful for Pamela and Akiko because they're here every week.
Yeah, nice.
Mahalo ya Erika. Amor is joining. Mahalo ya Kathy.
Oh, thank you, Hal.
Good. Okay. Yeah, we're good to be thankful for each other. Even again, we don't know each other, but we kind of do now after 9 weeks.
Has it been that much? I don't know.
Yeah, this is our 8th class, but yeah. Okay, so let's do some breakout rooms. What we're going to do is some of the sentences that you created, hopefully you wrote them down or they're in your chat. You are going to talk about them with your friends. Just, you guys can try and, it's coming in the chat, but use these examples. Choose one of the topics of what you're thankful for. I'm thankful for my family, and then you guys should just say whatever sentences you can about it. If you can, maybe screenshot what I just sent you or copy it, because it might disappear when you go into your other breakout room. I don't know, but you never know. Okay, and then again, if you're an old student, you've been here before, please facilitate your breakout rooms. You're just wala'auing, pretty much, what you're thankful for. If it turns into English, it turns into English, totally fine. Just, again, maybe 7 minutes, what we're thankful for. I'm gonna create the breakout rooms. I'll stop talking. Stop share. Okay. And introduce yourselves if you guys are new. Okay. So you'll get the invitation if you guys can join. I'll come pop into some of your guys' rooms. Just wala'au, kama'ilio, talk to each other, share your stories, whatnot. I didn't even go live on Instagram. I'll go live with this. Stacy, if you can go join. Okay, let's go to.
Ovao Okale. This is my, what is that, my full name? Kaleo Pua Onalangi, but you can, Kale is perfectly fine.
Yeah, that's perfectly fine. My first name is also a dictionary.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So you guys know what's going on?
This is my
your first time. Okay, so what we normally do is we just wala'au, practice the sentences that we made in the class. So you can just talk like the sentences you got to write down or you put in the chat. You guys can just talk about that.
What if we never write them down?
Mary.
This time, never.
Nah, it's okay. So I put them, you get them in the chat. Can you see the chat?
I look. No.
Okay, so it's pretty much mahalo iku'u and then ohana, family, ancestors. So hopefully
I get the chat, the mahalo au